Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanya to Guide. In this video, you are going to know about how to check whether a number is an odd number or an even number. So in the last class, you have known about how to print a natural numbers from your desired values. Okay, that may be 10, that may be 1 to 100, that may be 1 to 30 or anything. So there is a sequence for natural numbers that you have learned in the last class, and in that previous class also you have learned how to print area of a rectangle. Now in this tutorial, this is about how to check whether a number is an odd or even number. So now let us discuss what is meant by an odd number. So now, can anyone give a try what is meant by an odd number? So an odd number, which is if the number is dividing, okay, or else if you get when the number is divided by 2 and if you get the remainder is 1, okay, so that numbers are called as odd numbers. That may be 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on, n numbers. Okay, likewise, let us discuss about even numbers also. So in even numbers also, whenever it is divided, okay, so let me just write over here even numbers. If the number divided by 2, okay, and that's value is equals to 0, okay, now that is called as even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, n numbers. Okay, so I hope everybody clear with these things. Now see here, let us write the program based on a required criteria. Now let us take a variable number is equals to input, enter the value. Okay, just a second, I'll writing spelling mistake, enter a number. Okay, so now put a colon, and if you want a comma, you can put the comma also. Now you need that number as an integer, right? So put here int of input. Close the bracket and open the bracket. Okay, this is about a statement. Now we have declared a num variable. Now let us check the condition. If this number is divided by 2 or not. Okay, so now here if number modulus division is an operator which is used to get the remainder. Okay, if number equals to 0, then you need to get a statement print even number. Okay, it's your wish whether it is right even number or else it is a even number. The statement is of your wish. Okay, now let us write one more statement, that is else condition. Okay, so put the else over here and directly write odd number, or else you can give one more condition and you can check it also, like if number modulus or slash slash, so you can give based on your opinion. So here for my convenience I was writing directly else and put the brackets and write over here odd number. So if the number is not even, then automatically it will be an odd number, right? That is the reason I was writing directly odd number. Or else you can write one more condition. So let us check if a number 10, okay, 10 is divided or not, check it. So it will automatically check it. For your understanding, you have to divide this 10 number into, you have to divide this 10 with 2 number. I'll write over here, just a second. So 10 modulus 2, right? So that means 2 is dividing this 10. So 2 and 10. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, likewise 2 5s are 10. So here in the remainder you are getting 0, which is nothing but the condition is satisfying. That is the reason it is an even number. Now let us write one more time. Let us run the program and let us give a number called as 13. So now let us click on enter. See, here you are showing that it is an odd number. How it is showing odd number? Now see, 13, let us divide 13 with 2. 2 sevens are 14, right? So the number is exceeding. So let us write 2 into 6, nothing but 12. So the remainder you are getting as 1. Okay. So here I have mentioned in the top only even numbers divided by 2, the remainder is 0. That is nothing but what? Even numbers. If you are getting any reminder 1, that is odd numbers. So I hope everybody are clear with this video. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.